So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral, and the integral is very much only about the trigonometric relation, right? So it contains cosine of 2x and it is sine x, cosine of x and other, and with some disrespect to dx. So how we can solve this? So we basically can solve this by using simple identity, and this you have to know that identity, that is cosine of 2x can be written as cosine squared x minus sine squared x, right? So this is the beautiful identity. So in terms of there, I'm going to use the identity that is cosine squared of x minus sine squared x with some disrespect to dx over sine x plus cosine x. So after there, I think there would no be any problem here, because we have just replaced our cosine of 2x by this identity, and this looks like cosine of x plus sine of x, and cosine of x minus sine of x with some disrespect to dx, and sine x plus cosine of x, right? And the term is going to cancel out, and this is the quite easy integral. Everybody knows this integral, how to integrate this. So it is going to be basically sine of x plus cosine of x with some constant c, right? So this is an easy integral. So up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems.